Hi everyone, this is Preeti this side and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another amazing video in my 20th birthday series. So today's video, as you read the title, I have my birthday month favorites. Like I have been planning for doing such a video for really long now, and I suddenly realized that I have certain favorites this month. Like I have been using certain products from last month, I have bought new products this month, so mostly there are products only, mostly, not all, mostly. So let's just get started with the video. So on the first go we have this Body Shop Moringa exfoliating body scrub. Like this is a very amazing thing that I have purchased like this month only, and I've been using, so it might appear a bit lower in level because I've been using it continuously from the very first day of this month. So it has been a really worth purchase honestly, because it makes my skin so moisturized. It keeps my skin really moisturized for a really long time now, and I have been using it daily, basically on a daily basis, so it doesn't have any side effects as well. Okay, moving on to the next product, we have this one, scented candle. In one of my videos you might have seen it, like in the gifts wala video. So I am so addicted to it now, like the one in my backdrop as well. So you guys can better understand how much addicted I am now with this. So I cannot control myself when I purchased another one. So it has been a really great thing, great purchase for me, because it really calms the environment so much and smells so good. Like I can smell it here only. It smells so good. Like I can't even imagine a day now without this. So it's a very great thing that I've purchased this month. Another one, we have this Body Shop Strawberry Softening Body Polish. Like I have been using this for a long time now, but for last 6 months I haven't bought it because I didn't get the scope. Ek to lockdown 2.0 was announced, and I wouldn't be able to go out. I suddenly realized one night, and then the problem was I was about to purchase, but I cannot for the lockdown thing, definitely, and also I cannot go out for the COVID thing. But again, last month I purchased this one and I'm using it like on a daily basis. I use this one also on a daily basis because Body Shop ka products is the products which really suits my skin, which never breaks out my skin at all. And secondly, it really moistens my skin to a level that I really don't need to wash it on a frequent time. So it really helps me a lot, and it really sparks my skin for a whole day. Moving on to the another favorite is this jade roller. I purchased it in this month only, as like I gifted myself this one in this birthday. So from that day it has been a really useful thing. But one thing that people who are watching this should be cautious about this jade roller is that, I'm sorry, it's not jade roller, it's quartz roller. I didn't purchase the jade one, I purchased the quartz one. Sorry, quartz roller is that when your skin breaks out, like it has acne, it has like breaking out frequent on a frequent manner, so you cannot use the jade roller then, because it might affect your skin and the thing will grow on and on and on. So I don't use on the days when my skin really breaks out a lot, like on a frequent basis. So I don't use it on a frequent way. But when my skin is good, touch wood, when I skin is really on a proper manner, I use this jade roller. So it has been one of the very favorite things now. So on to the next one, we have this one, Tea Tree Skin Cleansing Clay Mask, again from Body Shop. I got this like 2 months ago, correct, 2 months ago, and I have been using it since last month, because 2 months ago I purchased it and I just kept it like that, like in a doubt. After purchasing, I was actually having a doubt that whether it suit my skin or not, whether it will be good for my skin or not, or my skin will break out again, then I won't be able to do anything honestly. So I purchased it 2 months ago, but I have been using it since last month, and this has resulted really great for my skin as well again. And Body Shop ka products are really suitable for my skin. So this one is for all sorts of skin, like oily skin, dry skin, like acne prone skin. You can use it in any skin, but you have to use it according to your convenience, then it will result the way you want it. So I use it on my convenient days only. So this has also been a great purchase for me and one of my favorite this month. Okay, on to the next thing. I have a khane ka thing, is that this peanut butter. So basically the backstory to it is that I purchased this few days back only, this month only, for a video purpose that you guys will get to know. I purchased this month only, and I have really come to a conclusion that I am liking it. I am quite liking it, because now I am having peanut butter with fruits, bread, whatever snacks am I eating. That sounds really creepy, but yeah, it is. I'm really addicted now, and it really tastes good, and it's sugar free, and it doesn't contain any sort of healthy thing, because it's for those who are diet conscious, and I am a person who is not at all diet conscious, but still I am liking it and I am looking forward to buying it again. Moving on to another one, is that you guys might have seen it in many of my videos, like that is my Polaroid camera. Yes, this has been one of the most amazing thing that I've got in my birthday. For instance, because on some time I need like hard copies of the pictures, or the places that I'm visiting, or the people I'm visiting with. I really need the hard copies of it, and honestly this has been one of the best thing for that. I have been longing for it for a really long time now, and you guys again have seen this in many of my videos, like in my backdrop and my gift ka video or something, but honestly this has been one of the favorite thing for last 2 months for me, and it really resulted great. Moving on to the next thing, that's not a product but a like myth that I've taken this month only, from the last month only. Like a lot of devastation happened last month, as I told you guys in certain videos of mine, and looking into that, it has really shaken me up to a different level now, and I am really conscious about whatever am I saying, whatever am I doing. So for that instance, I have decided that I should eat healthy. I will not eat any sort of like अनहेल्दी फूड फॉर मी. हाँ, 1-2 दिन वीक में चीट डे चलबे, बट नॉट एवरी डे. Like even working out for long, I used to eat junk a lot, like really lot. I even cannot count how much I ate junk in last 6 months. So I have really stopped that and told myself that you need to eat healthy, you need to stay fit. So for that you need to cut down your diet to such a thing that you can eat healthy, but you doesn't get starved for quite a lot of times in the day. So this is one myth I have taken, and it has been one of the favorite things, honestly. And it resulted great also. For last 1 month it is resulting great as well. So this is one thing. On to the next thing, I have this white nail paint from Faces Canada. This white nail paint has been there in my foot and my nails, like hand ka nails, for last 1 month. Like when it जैसे যখন উঠে যায়, I again do it, then again উঠে যায়, আবার আমি লাগিয়ে নিই. So I had continuing this for a really long time now, and which might change the color for my nail paint also. But now I have given break to my nails. Though I haven't given break to my foot nails, I'm still wearing this one only now. This is a really glammy color for me, because I have a dark skin tone, honestly, and I have this thing for a long time now, and this has been one of the great thing that resulted for me. Finally, the last product and the last favorite for this month is that this perfume, again by Body Shop. It names Japanese Cherry Blossom. So you guys know this perfume hopefully, because I have shown in one of my videos, and I have been really drooling on this perfume the whole month. Like previously I had a tester of it, like a small tester. I don't have that bottle also now. Still, when I got this big one, I'm drooling on this. Like this month, this much only is kharach, and I'm saving it. Like I save it, but still I keep it all the time with me whenever I go out also. Okay, so that's it for this video. That's it for all my favorites this month. I hope you guys like this video and all my favorites. Like, again, one thing I would like to address is that it's just me not showing off, but something really I'm grateful for, that I got to know and got to experience certain things in this last 1 or 2 months. And it is completely my personal opinion and not any sort of sponsorship, not any sort of showing off. So please don't mind that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to not miss any update. Leave your views in the comment box below about how you like my favorites this month, and please keep waiting because there is a lot more coming, as I say in every video in this series. And please stay safe everyone.